Okay, now let's see the fifth question, the problem 5. Suppose 100 people, 100 people, sorry, 100 people, they're waiting for a blood test for a kind of disease, just like, virus, COVID-19 maybe. And the probability that for one person the test result is positive equals 0.1. That means when they do the blood test, the positive probability is 0.1 and the negative is 0.9. Yeah, it's a probability to test positive. And to make it efficient, so we have two methods. Yeah, the method one is test one by one. Yeah, it is not efficient. We need to uh, we need to waste so much time and testing key. So we have other method. The second method. The second method is to test divided into 10 group. If all groups, if in one group, that means will mix up 10 persons blood to one test kit, and if this mixed blood is a positive, that means it makes someone is positive in these 10 people. And if the mixed blood test is negative, so that means all of the 10 people are negative. So it may be more efficient. So we need to know the what is the number of the tasks we need to do by this method on average. Yeah, on the average. So we if the result is positive, then we test these 10 people's blood one by one. So the test number, the so the test number may be 10. 10 means no one is positive in max 10 max blood tests, and the number is 11. That means maybe have a positive. I'm sorry, I make a mistake. 1. When we at first make a one test for 10 mixed blood, and if the blood is negative, that means all people are negative. So that means we need only do one test. And if the blood is positive, so we need to do 10 times for everyone, one by one, for this group. Okay, let's see. We have K. K means number of tests for each 10 people group. Of 10 each group. So K is 1 or K is 11, right? Yeah. So we need to know the average time. That means if we do one times, K is 1, yeah, we need to know its probability. And if it is 11, we need to do it probability. So it is average. So it is average number of tests we need to do by this way, by this method. So to get this, we need to know it is the answer. SW. So let's call it P. Yeah. How to get a P? In the first part, that means all people are negative. All people negative here, right? 10 people are negative. That means 1 mod. Yeah, because 10 people because 10 people's probability is not 0.9, and they are all negative. So it's this. And the second part is 11, not T. That means at least one of the people are not one of the people are positive. That means not all 10 people are negative. Yeah. So we need why we use one to manage this, because that means maybe one or two or three or four or five or six or seven or nine or 10, they all get a positive test, or one or two or three they got the positive, they got the positive result. So we don't know. We just know not all 10 people are negative. So we use the one minus this. So we get an answer is about this. Yeah. So it is an answer. So for 100 people, this is only one group, right? This is only one group. So if we want to know 10 group, because one group is 10% and we have 100%, yeah, 10 out of 10. So the average of the test equal approximately is, maybe is, yeah, we can reach 76 or 74 or 75. Oh, it's okay. So if we use this method, we can see if uh, we can see if, I'm sorry, 25 or 24, uh, just like testing kit, yeah, times then the method one by one. So this is